the 2018 Toyota Corolla. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.